Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. Let's find out what is in this bag. Well, if I can get into it, we'll have it made. Well, I see cross stitch, whoops, and a box. So let's take it out of the bag. It's quite the bag. All right. Okay. This bag comes from VIPCrossStitch. And if they have any specials, or if I have a discount code, I will put that right in here and in the description box below. So do check that out. So we'll just start with this little box. It's quite the size. Let's see what is in here. Well, we have some bubble wrap. Let me put that away because, you know, the cat will get that stuck to her foot and she'll be all over the house. She'll be doing zoomies. She has enough problems with tiny pieces of thread that just flip her out. So, they have a new size of, just a minute, hold it, I got it here, of these, and they're square. And there are a few of those, you know, different types, and I'll have the link below. It has a piece of plastic over the top. Is that not stunning? Wouldn't you just love to see the diamond painting, the cross stitch or diamond painting? Perhaps it is in a diamond painting. And it's not sparkly, it's just a beautiful picture. So do check out this new size. I wanted to measure this, maybe 2 inches. It looks like, a little over 2 1/4 inches. Whoop, let me flip it over. Or 6 centimeters. So, you can see it's a little over 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. Is that not beautiful? So, I thought I'd collect those because we got everything else, right? Oh my goodness. And those are $3.03. Now, I think they're having a big sale there. So, do check them out. We have 2 cross stitches here. I thought this was kind of different. Let's see. I call it a Steampunk Bird. It's 50 by 50 and it was $13.68. And it's a Yishi, Y-I-S-H-I-U. Or S-H-U. Yishi. We get it out of its bag. All right. Is that not cool looking? I love all the little gears, and it's like he's mechanical. I like the blues, the teals, the little bit of orange and red. It does come on a big page with instructions on how to start, how to finish. It's all on one. That is a big pattern, and it is an 11 count. It is 49 by 49, 190 by 190, and it has 40 colors. And for this background, they're using B5200, so if you want to stitch it, stitch it. If not, don't worry about it. I'm not real worried. So what colors do we have? We have 310 black, we have 498 red, which is the brick red. We have 550 purple, we have 666 red. I think 819 is also a brick red. We have 820 and 823, which are kind of a dark navy. We have 939. We have 3371, which would be a dark brown. And we have, like I said, B5200 for the white. So we'll take a look at the threads here in a minute. Very nice pattern. I'm just going to fold it because it's kind of wide out. And let you see how nice and crystal clear it is. No smudges, no smears. Just lovely. Absolutely lovely. Very well printed, nice, big, easy to see. That's what I love about 11 count. Just gorgeous. Now this does, now come on, oh, like, where did it go? Does come with a toolkit. You get 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. And we have a fish. So, cool. Very nice. And we have a big bag of threads. Before we go any further, we have the product number 7508, 7508, and 7508. So all that matches. Just making sure before I open it. But I can see beautiful colors. They're on little thread drops. Hang on just a second. All right. We have a lovely array of teals, blues, turquoises, reds, browns. I love that reddish colored brown. It's pretty. Just absolutely gorgeous. You have some grays, some blue grays. Look at that teal. Oh my goodness, this is going to be gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And of course we have 310 black and B5200. There's a darker brown. It's not as dark as 3771, but very pretty colors. We're losing our rubber band here. But just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous colors. They do such a good job with all the different colors, making them bright and vivid, and just, can you ever? Drool time. Okay, we're going to put this all back in that bag. There will be a crinkle for a second. Because I do want to get it back in its bag. All right. Let's take a look at this canvas. Nice and big. But it's not too big. The canvas, that is. It's 50 by 50, basically. And it's going to have a little bit of confetti in it, but that's good. That means that there's good detail. But this bird is huge. I didn't expect it to be this big, but I just love all the detail of it. I like steampunk, sort of, kind of, and I tried to replicate that in, what do you call it, mixed media, and it just never worked for me. So, you know, we have to live off of, with somebody else's artwork here, because I can't ever get it to look the way I want it to. So it is 49.5, making sure it's 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches that way. And this way it is, if I can get it there, a little over 19 inches or 48.5. Actual picture size is approximately, if I can get it to all lay down, a little over 16 3/4 inches or a little over 42.5 centimeters. And this way it is a tad over 43.5 centimeters or 17.25 inches. So it's good size. It is kind of, hang on, I'm rolling. I don't want to let go of it or it'll just go everywhere. Kind of a stiff type fabric. It's that older type. It's kind of smooth, but it is kind of rough, but it will crunch wonderful. So if you're going to work someplace, but there, I'm looking at their feet. You can see all that confetti. So it's kind of sprinkly here and there. Then you do have some bigger areas that go through there. So very nice. I really like this. Really, really do. It's just lovely. All right, let's get the next one. And I don't know if I wrote the name down. This is supposed to be a Mona Lisa. I'm not real sure. Let me get it open. All right, I am back. Isn't that precious? Look at that little cat sitting there with those roses. I just absolutely love this. Now, I got another one, but the cat was different. I think the cat was more of a marmalade color. I can't remember. And hell, I probably got the same one again. But I really like this picture. I just think it's just so sweet. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And nice picture. I think this is actually, it's a sticker. So if you wanted to, it is. I just can't. Hang on. Of course I cut my nails off. You know how that goes. Yep, it's a sticker. Oh, come on. Take my word for it. It's a sticker. So if you have some place to put those, that would be just great. It does have a paper pattern. Oh my goodness. We have, it's straight cross stitch, no back stitch. It's 170 by 170. We have 47 colors. You have 310 black. Anything else? That 815 and 817, they're all kind of a brick red. You have 823, which is a, tell me, like a navy. You have 939. You have 3371, which is that dark brown I was looking for in the last one. And you have that 3770, which is like a butter color. And 3865 for the white. Just absolutely beautiful. It is a little bit small, though. Let me go on this side. Maybe it'll be easier to see. But the symbols will not match the canvas. So it'll have, the canvas will have its own symbols. There's your product number. And it is 11 count, so you'll use 3 strands of thread. Now the last one that I showed you, the paper pattern will match the canvas. I'm sorry I didn't say that. It does come with full page instructions on how to start and how to finish. And of course the last one was serged around the edge, so was this one. Let's take a look at the colors here. First off, we have 3 needles, and you have, we're going to get a hold of it. You have 4 needles here. I have 1 in my hand. 1 was on the canvas. We're just going to open this up and put that needle right in there so that they're all there. But it's nice that they give you 4 or 5 needles because, you know, stuff happens. They break every once in a while. I haven't broke one in a while, but, you know, since I said that, you know, it'll happen any day now. Let's look at these beautiful colors. You have shades of browns, tans. There's your 3371. Just beautiful. It's all on like a loop over thread card. Just gorgeous. I love the coral and the oranges and the pinks. There's your 823. It's a little bit brighter. It's like a dark royal blue. It's a little bit brighter than 823 and 939. I'm looking here. So maybe this is 823. Maybe that is 939. I didn't think so. I would have said this is 939 right here. I'm not sure what that color is, but yeah, that's 939. And this one over here is 823. But beautiful oranges, reds. Like that brown. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. And it does have the product numbers here. And it says 2 of 2 and 2 of 1. Or there's 2 in the whole set. So very nice, beautiful. Kind of autumny colors, but yet, you know, the picture, when you look at it, it doesn't scream autumn. You know what I mean? Just looks like a late summer day with some bright pink roses in several shades. I just love that cat. I could just pick it up and hug it. Now, it does have a serged edge around the canvas. And let me see. Oh, I got it upside down. Of course I do. That's how things go around here. So all the symbols are different. This is not a big picture at all. What did I say it was? I'm working on it here. It says 50 by 50. Nope. Yep, cat in the window. 50 by 50, so we're just going to give that a test. This is 51 centimeters or 20 inches. So where would 50 be? Right there. So they gave you a tad bit extra because you have that surged edge, but it doesn't bother anything. In fact, it keeps it together better than anything because it's the way it's made. So we got 46 centimeters or a little over 18 inches. The actual picture size is 39 centimeters or almost 15.5 inches by 38.5 centimeters or a little over 15 inches. So very nice, nice size. Now this is going to be part 1. Part 2 will be next Sunday, and I'll have 2 more kits for you then. But let's look at this canvas here. Nice, easy to see key. The serging does not go into the numbers or anything like that. And they're on a thread card, so you shouldn't have any problems at all. This has less confetti in it than the last one. I'll just hold it and kind of move it. But nice, easy to see symbols. Very nicely done. I don't see any, not a lot of, I mean, just sprinklings of right there. And then you got a big area. And right there. And then you got big areas. So, very nice. They probably could have added more colors than 47. But I think 47 is going to do it, really. You know, because this background is kind of nondescript. You see the cat's tail. And then you've got some curtains back in here and a little bit maybe of wallpaper. But it's very dark from this cornerish. So it should be fine. It should be fine. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. All right. Thank you, VIP, for these 2 lovely kits and the lovely little, I don't know if it's a refrigerator magnet, but I'll use it to put my threads and stuff on. It's just gorgeous. So I'm looking forward to collecting the rest of those. I don't know if there's 4 or 6 or 8, but when I give you the link, you'll see what they have available. Now, VIPCrossStitch only has sewing things. They have beaded embroidery. They do custom in cross stitch, and they do not have diamond painting or paint by number. And they have lots of kits, tools, crafts, lots and lots to choose from. It is a lovely store, and I have ordered from them personally, so everything worked out. And if it doesn't, just contact them and they will get right back to you, depending on what time of day and where you're at in this world. How's that? Because I think I'm 13 hours off of China, so that'll give you some kind of realm, but they will get back to you. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.